How to use coins in Dark War. So if you're talking about these gold looking coins, so this ones, you are mainly able to use this directly in your upgrades. And by upgrades, more on building these upgrades. So let's say we're going to your dorm, you go press on this one. No, not, let's find something else actually. So this one. Now, if you have an item for a specific building that hasn't been crafted or hasn't been built yet, then it's going to require these coins. So the main purpose for these coins is just this. It's that simple. You go ahead and use it here, you build it, and then you upgrade these items for coins as well. So as you can see, but that's pretty much it. That's where you use these coins in Dark War. You can take a look at their buildings as long as it's building and then upgrading those specific crafts or items. You're gonna be able to use those coins. So that's how you use these coins in Dark War. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.